The diagram shows the life cycle of paper from the production stage to recycling and final disposal. Overall, the process is circular. Paper is produced from trees used by people and then either recycled to make new paper or sent to landfill or incineration. At the beginning, trees are cut down and processed to produce pulp. This pulp can come from both new wood and recycled paper. The pulp is then used in paper production, where different paper products are made. After that, paper is used by consumers for purposes such as printing or packaging. Once it is no longer needed, waste paper is collected. The collected paper is then sorted so that recyclable paper can be separated. Recyclable paper is processed in the recycling stage and turned back into pulp, which can be reused to make new paper. However, paper that cannot be recycled is sent to landfill or burned, which is the final stage of the life cycle. The diagram illustrates the life cycle of paper, showing the stages involved from raw material extraction to recycling and final disposal. Overall, the process is circular in nature. It begins with trees being processed into paper products and ends either with recycling, which allows the cycle to continue, or with landfill or incineration when paper can no longer be reused. At the first stage, trees are harvested and processed to produce pulp. This pulp comes from both newly cut wood and recycled paper. The pulp is then used in the paper production stage, where it is manufactured into paper products such as sheets, rolls, and packaging materials. Once produced, paper is distributed and used by consumers for various purposes. After consumption, waste paper is collected through recycling systems. The collected paper is then sorted to separate recyclable materials from non-recyclable ones. Recyclable paper undergoes waste paper recycling, during which it is turned back into recycled pulp. This pulp can then re-enter the production stage, allowing new paper to be made. However, paper that cannot be recycled is sent to landfill sites or incinerated, marking the final stage of the process.